Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how you can maybe somehow or some cases you want to choose some paragraph in your Microsoft Word document. You want to forward or back forward with quick shortcut key. So in this video I'm going to share how you can simply use a keyboard shortcut key to any paragraph move forward or back forward. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, I have a tired Microsoft Word document and I want to some paragraph. Example, I want to this paragraph move forward. So how you can do so? In your keyboard, just press tab button. It's going to make this tired paragraph to forward. If you want to back forward, you can use also you can in your keyboard just press shift tab and it's going to back forward. So anytime you want to forward, just press this tab button, it's going to forward. If you want to back forward, just twist shift tab button to back forward. So this is quick shortcut key how you can move your tired paragraph in Microsoft Word with using keyboard shortcut key. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.